Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You'll start by confirming your device OS and freeing about 100 MB so the app installs cleanly. Once done, sign into the Google Play or Apple App Store and search for VPN Turbo, then tap Install. This is faster than sideloading and keeps updates automatic. Make sure mobile data or Wi-Fi is active during setup so the app can validate your subscription or free mode. Allow network permissions when prompted. That's required for the VPN to create a secure. You now open VPN Turbo and either create an account or login. Verify your email if asked so account recovery works. Next, pick a server. Choose the closest region for best speed or pick a specific country to access region-locked content. Tap Connect. The app will request permission to add a VPN profile, accept it so traffic routes through the tunnel. Finally, in Settings, enable Auto Connect for unknown networks and the kill switch, which prevents leaks if the VPN drops. To finish, verify protection by checking your IP and DNS. This proves traffic uses the VPN. If speeds are sluggish, try a different nearby server or switch protocols in advanced settings for better latency. If the app won't connect, force stop it, toggle airplane mode, then reopen. A reinstall often clears corrupted data. And if problems persist, export or copy the app logs and contact support. Make sure your OS and VPN Turbo are updated so known bugs and security issues are patched.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.